If you're going to be watching any supercross race right now, Heat 1 in the 250s is apparently the race to watch. Last week we had the Deegan and Smith encounter, and this week we have Jett Lawrence and Mcadoo coming together. If you didn't see it, they were doing, pretty even lap times, coming back and forth, fighting for position, and coming into the rhythm section, Jett Lawrence ends up getting him in the flat bowl corner, whatever you want to call it, the long left-hand corner on the track. Mcadoo ends up doing a different rhythm than him, and either you can say Jett Lawrence kind of drifted to the left, or as you're watching right here, Mcadoo kind of just jumps right into him. I kind of fall onto that thing. The whole adage of like, if you're behind, you have to make the pass clean. And you can see Jett Lawrence was very, very not happy about that, which makes sense. I mean, that's a very dangerous thing to happen. You can see it too. Even kind of funny enough, Deegan and Smith both ended up commenting on it, if you want to read them right there, which to me is kind of a little funny thing, but it's just one of those things that you can see, Jett Lawrence is behind, keeping up pretty easily, obviously, and then through here does a different inside outside, gets him on the long left, passes him pretty easily. He doubles in, Mcadoo onto the table, and then you can see Jett Lawrence gets shot into the other lane, which is really the most dangerous part of this. If this had been earlier in the race, or if somebody had been coming the wrong way, or not the wrong way, but had been coming there, they would have nowhere to do. But in the comments below, you tell me, do you think this is stupidity or just a full-on racing incident? Which I'm gonna, on most of these things, I would tend to say one way or the other, but I'm gonna go full-on racing incident. You kind of say Jett Lawrence had no idea what was going on. You can't tell if somebody's coming up, going to jump a different rhythm and hit you on the side in a rhythm section. There's no way you could ever guess that. And for Mcadoo, yeah, maybe it was a stupid pass or pass attempt, whatever you want to call it. But for me, this is a full-on racing incident. Like, was it the worst thing in the world? No. Was there any like bad blood or banging before this or afterwards? No. But in the comments below, you tell me. What do you think of it? Racing incident? You think this is just stupidity? Whatever it is, make sure to comment it down below as you go down there. Like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because obviously playing the algorithm game, it helps me out and I appreciate it a lot. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.